In this video, we drop the Genoa to get repaired, welcome Brown's daughter Hannah to the boat, run into issues when we try to raise the repaired Genoa, and finally, leave the marina for Taboga Island. Getting some laundry done this morning, and after I finish laundry, gonna head back to the boat. The day before we left Shelter Bay Marina for the transit in the canal, I noticed that there was a bulge in the UV strip. I unfurled the sail and realized our UV strip the stitching had come out. Ugh, such a bummer. Especially because there's a beautiful sail loft there and a lawn to lay out the sail, and it would have been the perfect place to get it fixed. But okay, we couldn't do it. So we knew we'd have to do it when we got to this side, and La Playita Marina, the marina that's here, is super calm. As you can see, it's really easy to get things done. There is a lot of wind still, so we're gonna need to pull the sail down fairly quickly. We are really grateful that we have young friends that have adopted us as their mom and dad. We are old and they're young, and we're really grateful that they're gonna help us out. They've been helping us out with so many tasks, anything that has to do with lifting so that Brown doesn't re-injure his back, and we're really grateful, especially for Ian and Gabby. Thank you so much. And today I think they've recruited Zach and Becca, who are on Sailing Taily. So check them out on social media. They've got 80,000 followers on Instagram. They definitely don't need our endorsement, but certainly gonna point people that way because we do love them and we're thankful for their help too. So we're gonna get this sail taken down now.
Oh wow, oh man. Oh, you guys are killing it. Oh, wow!
Zach and Ian here working for free. You know what? They need some experience. They don't have enough for 4 Cinnabons. Yeah, he needs to share them with you.
That's really on there. Might struggle. I don't think that's going to do it.
Is it mocking you? Wow! Thank you so much. Well, dude.
And that was worth.
That's killer.
Worth
What you doing?
trying to repair the sail. He said his machine was not strong enough to do this, so just trying to keep it from coming apart.
Sure.
It's a little Frankenstein.
I'm a little Frankenstein sometimes too.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Go?
Yeah. Alright, that's too hard for Eileen.
Sorry.
Switch up.
Hi, sir. More than halfway. Yeah.
I'm hitting, don't. No, hit it again. Let me go down a little bit. Got it.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Great job.
Brown, get excess.
I don't mind running up there and doing that. Here, try it again.
You think it's going?
No. But until we get them up in the motion chair, we keep trying.
Got it.
I can see where it's getting stuck.
Okay.
You want it down or up?
Up, slowly.
Slowly.
It's getting stuck when it's inside.
side of this drum. Go down again. Okay. Alright, past it, past it. Alright, go. Go. Okay, keep going. When the sail's up, just ignore me and it'll furl when it's up. Sure. That'll be more important because I don't mind hanging out there for a little bit. Coming down!
Exactly.
So this is my daughter, Hannah. It's not like being filmed. You know what? She charges big money for this. So here we go. We're off to Old Panama and we are going to go to the museum and we're just going to get a feel for the old town, very historic, and just check things out. It's like a walking museum. So here we go.
After a much needed week in the marina, we are headed out to the island of Taboga. It will only take us a couple of hours, but we'll stage there for a trip to Las Perlas the next morning. It will be good to show Hannah life outside of the marina. After 9 days in La Playita Marina, we are on our way out here to Taboga. Wow, it is seriously an incredibly beautiful morning. The wind is on our beam and we are off, headed to the Pearl Islands. We spent the night at Taboga and it was pretty brutal. We had a ton of swell and it made for a very uncomfortable anchorage for a while. So now we are downwind to Panama City. There we are, there's Panama City. And we are headed out to Qingdao and Las Perlas, and love having Hannah aboard. She's a little sailor girl helping us out. It's really windy today, but we're gonna take Zach from Taylor with us and do some snorkeling north of Chapara, and then see if we can cross the channel to Bartolome and check out that island. So we just did a little snorkeling off of the east side of Qingdao and decided to check out this island while we were out playing around. The formations on this island are so cool. These rocks are all rounded. You can tell that they are underwater quite a bit, moved by the ocean. Oh, look at how beautiful this beach is over here. Wow! Ah, you're so welcome. Hold her up. Oh, nice. Let's go. Goodbye, Contadora. We will be back for sure. It's been a great stay here, but we want to get over to Chapara with Hannah. Chapara is just right in front of us right here. It's just going to be a 30-minute trip over there. It is a beautiful day today. Absolutely stunning. 3 knots of wind. I'm not so sure. We are rounding the corner of Chapara, and just beyond it is Mogo Mogo, the island where a Survivor season was filmed. All right, I think we like our digs here. We're gonna stay for a while. Well, 3 days anyway. We've been here at Chapara for a few days, and this is the first day where it is completely flat. There is no wind. So we're gonna head over to Mogo Mogo, which is right across there. That is the host of season 7 of Survivor, and we're gonna go look for relics and see what we can find. It is the weekend. You can see all the power boats have come out for a little fun in the sun, and we are off. Wow, I can totally see why they chose this for Survivor, can you?
Oh yeah,
Perfect.
Hi. And we're just hanging out on this beautiful windless day. My daughter, she loves critters. She loves the water, and she is here with us right now on the beach.
I'll do it for this. Chapara Island is known for its pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and abundant marine life, making it a popular destination for snorkeling, diving, and fishing. The island is approximately 47 hectares in size and is designated as a protected wildlife area, ensuring its natural beauty and ecosystem are preserved for future generations. Bring that dinghy in. Mush, mush, mush. This morning we are leaving Mogo Mogo in Chapara for Panama City to take Hannah to the airport, but we will definitely be back. This is absolutely beautiful. No wind today, flat seas, absolutely beautiful. Makes it really, really easy to see the whales. Oh, wow! We are getting really close to Panama City and the Panama Canal. We've had to motor the entire way because we just didn't have enough wind, but that gave us the opportunity to see whales and mobulas and dolphins along the way, so that's good. And now we've got to keep our eyes peeled so we don't end up hitting one of these container ships or getting run over by one. It's more probably the reality. And we should be into La Playita, Anchorage, in about an hour, I would say. sun has just come out and we're getting close to La Playita, the anchorage we're gonna stay in for the next couple of nights, which is straight ahead. We stayed in the marina right behind it for a week before we left. And now we're only gonna be here for a couple of days, I hope. And then we're headed back to Las Perlas or somewhere that is outside of Panama City. We'll see. Oh, my vida.